to A Day in the Life of an IE. So yan, this is a new podcast. Before anything else, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Felix Concepcion Veroya, or Lex.
I'm Catherine Sale Veroya, or Cathy.
And we're actually part of an online group of Filipino industrial engineers called Pinoy IEs. And we started this podcast, A Day in the Life of an IE, to give insights and overview about the work that is available for an industrial engineer across different industries.
Yes,
Kaya ang tawag natin ay
A Day in the Life of an
IE.
Kasi napapansin namin dun sa group, consistently ay people were asking kung ano ba yung mas maganda, paano ba yung ganito, ganyan.
Paano ba ito yung ganito, yung ganyan,
Yes.
Nalilito ako kasi saan ba pwede yung IE,
Paano,
okay ba tong role na to?
nasa ganito akong field, paano pag lumipat ako sa ganito, parang gano'n.
So ito na yung sagot sa mga tanong nyo.
Yes.
And we have been curating a lot of different roles in different industries. Kaya parang ang idea niya is combination of a function or role in an industry. So parang X role in Y industry. For example, we have an HR in the food and
Patikim sa
beverages.
mga episode, yes.
Yeah. Merong IE mismo sa garments or retail industry. Merong supply chain analyst sa semiconductor industry. Meron din tayong naka-line up na analyst sa government. So yung mga ganong type ng
And we will also
interview.
try to explore ng different generation.
Yes,
Yes.
different
Tama ba?
generation. So
Yes.
millennial, Gen Z. So ganun yung mix ng abangan nyo doon sa podcast na to. So, pero mag-discuss muna tayo, bakit ba A Day in the Life of an IE? And by the way,
Go.
we are both IEs. So, bago ko i-discuss yung A Day in the Life, konting background muna siguro, ano yung background mo as an IE? Ikaw, nag-start ka mag-work, di ba, sa semiconductor?
Nag-start akong mag-work, yes. Actually, ang first job ko is mabilis lang yung stint ko, parang 5 months as production engineer. And then, nag-jump ako to another manufacturing na industry na nag-ano naman ako. Production ulit and then planner. So,
Pero yung production
yun.
mo, hindi production eh. I mean, hindi siya production talaga na high volume.
yeah, support ng
Support kayo,
production.
diba?
Yes.
Kasi magkakaiba pa yung context when you say, iba kasi yung high volume dun sa role ng function nila. It's more of a support group.
Support group, parang independent section.
Dye and mold to be specific. I think pwede namang i-disclose kasi hindi naman dye and mold. Pero parang she had the exposure na ma-promote to different roles din.
Yes.
And then when she went out of the organization, ang role na niya is
Scheduling supervisor.
sige,
Yeah.
ano yung A Day in the Life mo? Ano yung A Day in the Life mo?
Doon na tayo sa doon sa scheduling supervisor siguro.
Para they know also.
And then I'll give some siguro advice about dun sa experience ko. A day in the life nung
Dapat
scheduling
ganun. A Day in the Life of an IE.
a day in the life of an IE as a scheduling supervisor
In manufacturing company.
in manufacturing company.
Okay, go.
Pwede na yun. So, it's a day job. Ang time in ko is 7 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Pagpasok ko ng 7 a.m., ang i-check ko agad is if yung schedules na nilatag ko for the past shifts ay nagawa nila. Kasi daily job order kasi yung ang setup namin. So, as in per shift, kailangan mong i-check if ano yung na-accomplish, ano yung hindi. And based on that, I will adjust the schedule para sa sunod na shift. Ganun siya kabilis magpalit. Kasi from time to time, dahil kami ay support group, nag-iiba-iba din yung priorities namin ng mas kailangan naming unahin depende sa hinihingi ng main production sa amin. So it's like that, checking and then meeting, coordinating, mabilisang revisions and then coordinating and then meeting again sa iba't ibang involved and relay nung information. So aside dun sa kailangan mong mabilis mag-isip to revise yung daily job, kailangan mo din siya mai-communicate properly to all parties involved.
So that's
ayun.
a day in a life.
And then, ang goal ko talaga is everyday, umuwi ako on time, na hindi ako mag-overtime. So, ganun ko inano yung sarili ko na dapat before 4 p.m. nakapagbigay na ako ng revised na schedule, job order for the next shift kasi may night shift kami. Iiwan ko sila. I have to relay that sa shift in charge and then uwi na ako kasi kailangan ko ng energy for the next day kasi yun ulit yung gagawin ko.
It's the same cycle.
Yes, no? So that's my day in a life.
Of a scheduling supervisor in a manufacturing company. So ako
yes,
naman,
thank you for finishing that.
Okay, so ako naman, a day in a life of a process excellence manager in a semiconductor company. Yun lang siguro yung
Yun
discuss
din
ko.
yung parang job mo before
I went full-time to Aztec Speech Academy. That's another a day in a life. No, but basically what I do day in, day out is it's a more of a project management role. So I handle my own projects and I also mentor multiple projects at the same time. And the framework that we use in this company that I belong before is DMAIC Lean Six Sigma. Kasi I also act as the black belt of the organization. So, di ba? Social black belt. No? So, I do that. So, more of project management, checking of the status, talking to stakeholders, project champions, tapos technical training and mentoring on what needs to be done for the project. And so, ganun siya. So, that's basically the day in a life. Ang target ko is, of course, to make sure that the projects are delivered on time and at the same time that all the stakeholder requirements are satisfied and fulfilled. So, basically, that's a day in a life a day in the life of an IE as a process excellence manager in the semiconductor industry. Ayan. So, kasi this is just an introduction episode, a pilot episode, and binigyan lang namin kayo ng parang
konting
patikim. Yan, or overview of what do you expect. We don't want this to be long naman, but of course, please expect that that's gonna be like the flow. There will be questions about ano yung mga skills. O kunwari, ikaw, anong top skills na kinailangan mo para dun sa role mo?
Ikaw muna.
Sa akin, syempre communication. Kasi ang dami kong ginagawang communication. Pero it's not really parang a hard IE skill. When you talk to me about siguro a hard IE skill, it's gonna be more of problem solving. Yun kasing nature ng job ko. How about for your case?
Same. Nagaya. Communication and yung time management, syempre.
Pero kunwari, if it's a very technical skill or from the IE subjects, IE landscape, like production planning, ganyan?
Yes, like that.
Okay. Kasi ayoko nun. Ayoko ng production planning. Ayoko ng QA. Kasi feeling ko hindi ako built for that. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities for IEs, but I know in myself na it's not for me. Yun kasi...
Actually, yun yung parang... Pupunta na ba tayo dun sa advice?
Yeah, we can transition to that kasi hindi naman natin gustong kainin yung oras ng
yun yung
intro.
Yun yung advice na gusto ko sanang ibigay for younger people, IEs. Kasi yun naman yung common dilemma na parang saan field ako, saan ako papunta, ganun. So, ang advice ko is kagaya namin, we figure it out na nagwo-work na kami. Tama ba? So, huwag kayong magmadali kasi along the way, mafi-figure out nyo siya. As for me, I've been 3 years na parang involved sa production. And then doon ko na-realize na parang ayoko na nito. Tapos nakikita ko yung isang katrabaho ko, yun yung ginagawa niya. Parang mas gusto ko yun. So, maganda din na may open communication kayo with the management. And then I asked them na parang,
Is it possible for me
kasi
to...
parang magre-resign ka na ba, ganan? So parang, if dito pa rin po ako, baka po. Most probably. Pero kung ililipat nyo po ako dyan, gusto ko po yan. Gusto ko yung
Parang
itry.
job rotation, job enrichment.
And then pinagbigyan naman nila ako. So, mas na-explore ko siya. Parang mas na-enjoy ko siya. Yun.
Yeah, I think that's
So, I feel na mas nagkaroon ako ng growth.
I think that's the purpose of this, again, of this podcast, no? To give and help, no? In as much as we can, for you to be exposed to the different roles, again, in different industries ng specific na field na to, ng industrial engineering. That's why it's called A Day in the Life of an IE. So, bakit siya A Day in the Life? Sige, advice?
Advice muna.
Advice ko is for you to explore as much as you can, because if you are relying only on advices, hindi naman siya kumbaga hindi 100% that you're gonna be figuring it out. So, part siya ng development, yung exploration. We're gonna talk about yung pag-job hop in some of the few episodes kasi we're gonna be also doing commentaries at also not only interviews and also event coverages na related sa IE. So bakit again muna A Day in the Life of an IE?
As we close.
Mabilis lang to, no? Kasi nung nandun pa ako sa isang work ko as a Black Belt Process Excellence Manager, there was a time that the organization seek for the help of a leading consulting firm. Tapos nung dumating sila, ang gagawin nilang work is yung work na rin na ginagawa ng team namin. And then they introduce yung isang tool, they call it DILO or DILO. That's Day in the Life of. So, if you're wondering, yung Day in the Life of pala is actually an IE tool. Hindi ko sure kung tinuturo siya sa mga universities. Ang ibig sabihin ng Day in the Life is you're gonna look into a day in the life of this particular process or process group para makita mo kung ano yung nangyayari. So, it's like Gemba or yung Gemba walk, yung actual workplace observation na ginagawa natin, coupled with time studies at saka mga work sampling. So that's basically the idea of Day in the Life. Kaya pinangalanan natin yung podcast interview natin na A Day in the Life of an IE. Yan. So, paki-subscribe po sa ating podcast.
Akala ko babay na yung sunod.
Paki-subscribe po sa ating podcast na makikita nyo po sa YouTube channel ng Pinoy IEs, and we have also its official Spotify account, so you can just search for A Day in the Life of an IE. So with that, maraming salamat for listening to this episode, and please expect more interviews, event coverages, and commentaries related to IE.
Also, if they want to share their experiences sa pagiging IE nila, pwede silang mag-comment sa video na to.
Yes, pwede kayo mag-comment sa video na to or doon sa comment section sa Spotify. We're assuming that you're watching this in YouTube. Ayan. So, yun lang po. So, again, thank you so much, everyone. And please support this initiative. Again, this is A Day in the Life of an IE. Bye! See you on our episodes.